Hey guys, I just got a dark web mystery box and it costed me infinite monies, and it just arrived and I'm going to unbox it. Okay, here it is. A ZW. I wonder what that means. Oh, you know what? It probably means death. And if I die in this video, you have to smash like. Oh look, I need to open it. Just let me get a knife. Okay, there, it's open. Now, I'm going to pick something out that's completely random. Oh my god, guys, what is this? This looks like one of those cups that you like pour the liquid into and then you drink from it. That's crazy. Alright. Oh my god, what is this? This looks like a frickin' string. I don't want to say what this is probably used for. Yeah. Alright, next thing. Oh my god, guys, what is this? It looks like a like one of those frickin' balls. Like, that's crazy. Like a marble or something. Yeah, one of those frickin' marbles. Alright, what's next? Oh my god, guys, what is this? For those of you who are freaked out, I think this is definitely a real skull. Ow! Oh my god, there's something sharp in here. I think I cut myself. Oh my god, guys, it's a knife. This looks exactly like one of the knives that I have in my house. Isn't that crazy, guys? Like, look at that. Alright, so that ends my dark web unboxing video, and I guess since I didn't die, you don't have to smash the like. Don't forget to smash like, because I just died.